Let's get into the secondary fields. The secondary fields section has the following fields. Table field. Use the table field to describe and classify multiple items, create lists, and collect dynamic data in table format. Star rating. Shaped in the form of stars, you can use this field to allow your respondents to give their ranking to a form question. Heart rating. Similar to the star rating but shaped in the form of hearts, you can also use this field to allow your respondents to give their ranking to a form question. Scale. The scale field is a field that allows your respondents to select from a row of radio buttons their ranking to a form question. You can decide to have the buttons displayed horizontally or vertically. Matrix. The matrix field can be used as a Likert scale to collect respondents' attitudes and opinions and is especially useful when drafting questionnaires. Smiley. Also a ranking field, the smiley field uses emoticons to allow your respondents to rank their reactions, feelings to a form question. File upload. This field is used for receiving files on a form. This gives your users the ability to attach files to their form submissions. Each file upload field is limited to one upload per field, so you will need to add multiple file upload fields if you need your form users to attach more than one document. Lookup field. Use the lookup field to fetch data from another form, source form, or spreadsheet.